How to lock Facebook profile if the option is not available. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Facebook app on your device. Sign into your account. Tap three line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Tap Setting and Privacy. Select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Audience and Visibility sections. Tap Profile and Tagging and make sure every option is set to friends only instead of public. So let's tap on who can post on your profile and tap on it. Here is the option to friends or only me and say to friends. Likewise, you can say to only me to make it more private. Come back to the same section and select followers and public content. And make this all the options to private by tapping on friends. If there is no option, let it be. Once done, go back to the home page of your profile. Now tap three line icon at top right corner and then select your profile. If your account is set to professional mode, tap three dots at bottom right corner next to advertise and then turn off the professional mode. Once you have done that, you need to update the app. Open Play Store or App Store. Using search icon, search for Facebook. If there is updates, tap update to update it to the latest version. Now you can easily open your profile and then lock your profile. That's it. That is how you successfully lock your Facebook profile if the option is not available and fix the problem. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.